First off, fuck your bitch and click the claim. What's up? We were ready to come quit the game. You claim to be Blair, but I fucked your wife. We pass on bad boy niggas. Fuck for life. Haha. Niggas first off, niggas cross. When I was young, me and mama had beef, 17 years old, kicked out on streets. Till back at the time, I never dare see your face. Ain't a woman alive that can take my mama's place, spend her from school and scared to go home. I was fooled with the big boy breaking all the rules. I shared teeth with my baby sister. Over the years, we was poorer than other little kids. And even though we have different that same drama, when things were wrong with blame mom, I reminisce Akos and hugging on a mama from the jail cell who would think in elementary, hey, I see beneficiary one day running from the police, that's right. Mama caught me, put the whip onto my backside. I never not a crack fee, mama. You always was a black queen, mama. Hey, check it out, motherfucking nigga black, get out. Hey guys, let's move. It's time to go, you know? Really, I get angry if you do this. Move it.